In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales flow with sales engagement, formerly known as high-velocity sales in Salesforce. This step-by-step guide will help you streamline your sales processes and optimize engagement with your leads and contacts. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log in to Salesforce. Head over to the Salesforce website and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Salesforce dashboard, which is your central hub for all things Salesforce. Next, let's navigate to the Setup section. You'll find this by looking for the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Advanced Setup. This area is where you can configure various elements of Salesforce to suit your needs. In the Setup menu, you'll notice a Quick Find search bar. This is a handy tool for quickly accessing different features within Salesforce. In the Quick Find bar, type Sales Engagement. This will direct you to the Sales Engagement settings, where you can start building your sales flow. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to create what's known as a sales cadence. A sales cadence is essentially a structured set of steps that your sales reps will follow when engaging with leads or contacts. These steps can include different types of interactions, such as sending emails, making phone calls, or setting tasks. Think of it as a playbook that your sales team can follow to ensure consistent and efficient communication. Once you've defined your sales cadence, it's important to leverage the Work Queue feature. The Work Queue acts as a personalized to-do list for your sales reps, guiding them through the process of completing assigned steps for each lead or contact. This helps ensure that no step is overlooked and that your team remains on track with their engagements. After setting up your sales cadence in Work Queue, you'll want to assign the cadence to specific leads or contacts. This can be done directly within Salesforce by linking the appropriate cadence to the respective lead or contact profiles. By doing this, you ensure that each potential client receives a tailored and consistent outreach experience. Finally, to assess the effectiveness of your sales efforts, you'll need to track engagement using the Sales Engagement dashboards. These dashboards provide valuable insights into how well your cadences are performing, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. You can monitor key metrics such as response rates, interaction histories, and overall engagement levels. This information is crucial for optimizing your sales strategies and making necessary adjustments to improve your team's performance. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building a sales flow with sales engagement in Salesforce. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your sales processes and maximizing your team's productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find success in creating an effective and efficient sales engagement strategy with Salesforce.